Hello and welcome to Sakshi's coaching classes. I hope you liked the previous video and let's move on to the new video now. Today's video is all about the homework which was on the topic how to compare two fractions. I hope you remember the previous video where we gave homework of having only one question and three subparts of that question were given. The homework was on the topic comparison of two fractions, or the question can also be in the form of put the correct sign. There were three subparts where you had to remember first to identify the fractions and then to use the cross multiplication or butterfly method accordingly. Let's get started. The first question was 10 upon 40 or 8 upon 32. Step number 1 is to identify if the fractions are proper or improper. In both the fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator, hence both the fractions are proper fractions. In such a case, we have to apply our step number 2, which is the cross multiplication method, where we have to put two ribbons or two crosses across the fractions. Remember, the bottom one will come at the top. So 10 into 32 and 8 into 40. In both the cases, the answer comes out to be 320. That means both the fractions are equal. Or we can also say these were equivalent fractions. Second part, 13 upon 4 or 13 by 4, and the other fraction is 7 upon 5. Again, step number 1, to identify if the fractions are proper or improper. In this case, both the numerators are greater than the denominator and the fractions are improper. In such case, step number 2 will have to come. What is step number 2? Step number 2 is to draw ribbon across the fractions or put a cross sign. And the bottom one will come at the top. That means the denominator will come at the top. So 13 into 5, which is 65, and 7 into 4, which is 28. And not now 65 is greater than 28, hence the left side of the fraction, which is 13 by 4, is greater than 7 by 5. Last C part, 2 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. Step number 1, the numerator is less than the denominator, hence both the fractions are proper fractions. Step number 2, draw a ribbon across or put a cross sign numerator with the denominator of the other fraction. 2 into 8, 7 into 4. 2 into 8 is 16, 7 into 4 is 28. 28 is greater, that means the right side of the fraction was greater. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it.